Hello everybody, happy Tuesday. It is Tutorial Tuesday and today I'm going to show you how to use Blushense on your eyes. Okay? For those of you that don't know me or are new to my group, because I know I have some new members, I am Amanda or AJ of the AJ Amazing Lips. And if you guys are watching this on replay, if you could just comment replay so that way I know to make sure that I check and answer any questions that you might have had, because sometimes I don't always get the notifications. But this is actually much easier than what I thought it was going to be. So, because I've actually never done this before. I've watched a couple tutorials, but I've never actually done Blushense on my eyes. So what I did is I took our Pink Frost, which is just one of our regular shadow senses, and I did that as a base. You always scrape off a little excess. I use Pink Frost a lot, so I don't have too much excess on my brush. And then I just take a flat eye brush like so, and just kind of spread it all over my lid, all the way up to my brow bone. And that, for me, just kind of primes my lid. I cannot see who's watching for some reason, so if you want to comment, hey. Or if you have any questions, I don't know if I'm going to see comments or not. Hopefully I will. Okay, so see how simple that was? Now, this is actually our old formula of Blushense. This is Cherry. This is what I actually have on my cheeks. Now, our Blushense has been reformulated to be more pigmented, creamier, it's thicker. So I'm going to show you the difference in tubes. Okay, this is the new tube. This is the old tube. Okay, let me hold them side by side. So do you see the size difference? Oh, I'm sorry, Maxwell. Max wants to play with his toy. It's not working. Here you go, Bubs. So clearly the product has gotten a little bit smaller, but that is because this little tube right here is supposed to last you 2 years if you use it correctly. Now, I don't think I've had a blush last me more than 6 months, like a regular powder blush. So to have a blush that's going to last you 2 years if you use it is really, really cool. Okay, so this is Pink Berry. This is one of my other favorite Blushense colors. I pretty much wear either Cherry or Pink Berry on a daily basis. But even the old formula, which I still use, I don't want to say I like it better, but I don't worry, like, the new one is really thick. So like I said, it's really thick and creamy. So this is from my other eye that I did earlier. So I literally just like roll what's left of the product, like on the outside of the tube, onto my wrist. Like, you use the tiniest bit. Like, I didn't even have to squeeze any out. Okay? And then I take my fluffy blending brush, and I just ever so lightly, I mean, like, seriously, I want you guys to see how I do this. Ever so lightly, dab just the tiniest bit. So I have like the tiny, let me see, I don't even know if I got any on there. The tiniest bit on my brush. Because a little bit, like, seriously, goes a long way. And then you just do a sweeping motion back and forth in your crease. That's all I did. See, sweepy back and forth. And then, whoop! Oh my goodness, I flipped you guys upside down. Hey, Jessica. Hey, Karen. Okay, so I want it a little bit darker. I'm going to just, like I said, ever so tiny of a bit. Because you don't want, like, a huge craziness on your eyes. Okay, so just a sweepy motion back and forth like so. Okay, ta-da. And it looks, I'm going to get a little bit darker. I'm being really conservative because, like I said, I've already done the other eye, and since I've never really done this before, I'm a little nervous. But I love the color because I have been looking for like a pinkish and a more reddish, shouldn't say pinkish, more reddish eyeshadow. And the Cherry Blushense is like perfect. And you could continue, if you really wanted this to be darker, you could continue to build on this color. Like, you could just keep adding to it and making it darker and darker and darker. So, like I said, this is just in my crease. I kind of got this going here. Ta-da! So I think those look pretty good, matchable. I like to keep a baby wipe too next to me. when I'm doing my makeup, so that way I can kind of wipe my brushes off and then wipe off the excess on my hands, but I'm still going to probably have a little stain from the Blushense today because that's how great this stuff lasts. So, like all of our products, our Blushense is waterproof and smudge proof. Once it sets, it sets. So it's very similar to our Shadow Sense, which is normally used for your cheeks, but as you can see, it has other uses as well. So then the other color that I used today is I used Denim, and again, just I'm scraping as much of the excess off as I can, and I just kind of went along the base of my lid, and I just did some cute little pats, like so, and then I take my, oh, sorry, trying to reject this call from my husband. Oops, he's gonna be like, what are you doing? Oh, see what happened? Because I didn't blend it. But look, it just wiped right off. Okay, so ta-da! And then I just kind of blend this in with my little pointy brush here. Can you see it? Okay. Blend that up. Voila. I think I have it a little bit darker on this side, actually. Well, no, maybe once I'm done blending, it won't be. But that is how simple it is to use Blushense on your eyes. Cool, huh? Gives you a more open color palette. We have a lot of cool Blushense colors. I will post them a little bit later today. I think I need a little bit more on my other eye. See, this is why I only do one eye at a time. So that way, if I need to go back and fix. But it's really simple to add Blushense or Shadow Sense too. So ta-da! I haven't done my liner or brows or anything yet, so you can go with whatever color liner that you want, obviously. I will probably end up going with Ocean because I got kind of a whole blue theme going on today, and I love our Ocean liner scents. That sounds funny, Ocean liner. Okay, anyway, don't mind my corny humor. Excuse me, wrong pipe. So yeah, so here is our Ocean Shimmer Eye Sense Liner Sense. This stuff is amazing. I love it. And you can put it on with the brush that is in here, or you can use your own liner brush. I actually bought these liner brushes. They're disposable for when I do demos. Off of Amazon, and they are great, especially if you want to use Shadow Sense as a liner. Now, when they first come to you, they're like super pointy, and they could probably like poke through your skin because they're like really hard, but you can break it apart and smush it around. But it makes a wicked wing. So I'm actually going to try it with the liquid liner because I used it with Shadow Sense, but I didn't try it with the liquid liner. So we're going to experiment together, okay, and see how this liner turns out. I don't want to keep you guys much longer. And I know anybody watching it on replay is probably like, come on, lady, get over it already. Okay. I really can't see that well on my phone when I'm doing this, so y'all are just going to have to bear with me for a few seconds. Let me look. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. I think it gives you a better wing because the tip is pointier. So you get that whole kind of swoopy thing going better. Okay, sweet. All right, so
Mommy, look right there.
You turn the fan on. All right, so that's all I've got for you guys today. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. If you have any questions or you'd like to order some Blushense for yourself, either comment on here or send me a message. Either way is fine. But I'm going to finish my face for today, which is basically just my lashes, liner, and brows. So I hope everybody has a great Tuesday. If you have any tutorials that you'd like to see, whether it be eye trio, how to apply Blushense as regular as well. Sophie's saying hi. Watch my glasses, baby. Come on, you can come up and say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. So, hi. Yeah, Max is saying hi from the top of the stairs. Okay. So, whatever you'd like to see as far as the tutorial, don't do that. That's not nice. Just comment or post on the page, whatever you'd like, and I will go ahead and try to demo it for you on our next Tuesday. I'll kind of try to keep a running list for you guys. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. I hope everybody has a great Tuesday. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.